Ducky, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's their job description to stop us from having any fun. But not my mother, though. Oh, no. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with our cold cloth, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before that brunch. You can play with your food and whack about it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle puddles down the mud, take a stroll back to the shallows. Then maybe this time goes fly in the slime, to the marsh where you find marshmallows. Although it's fly and dragonfly, watch water move and race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that sharpens witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warm? You can play with the food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with the food, you can't beat it. So Ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play the food before you bite it. You can do your job before you crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, why don't they? Some crazy little game that I like.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, it's just those wretched people from the farm playing ball.
What are people?
What are people? Bad news. That's what people are. Just think yourself lucky, Ducky, that I ever spare you from encountering them. Duck! Yes, correct. It's a duck. Duck! Yes, I know. It's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm mallard.
Duck! Ah! You stuck out by the bell. Oh no, you broke the window. The ball's got inside.
Oh no, they're coming in. That's a good idea. You hide here until the heat is off, and I'll try to find my own way back to the deck door. Maybe we can have lunch some other time. Goodbye. Sit right in the cow shed and turn